Okay, so bibigyan natin ang microphone sa ating MCs. And guys, once again, welcome sa ating president.
I think not only for me, but for some of the organizers, some of you even, may mga bagong mukha at hindi rin matatawaran ang kanilang talent. So, in behalf of Heartbeat Music Channel,
Samuel, Aliyah Kirsty,
from
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Again, Jazz here. So I think the biggest challenge for you would be also dancing, but I will do my best. And I also have some training in theater, so I'm kind of used to performing in front of a group. But this is also kind of like a coming back to me on the stage because back when I was younger, I used to perform like when I was still a teenager. But then you have
sa lahat po ng mga contenders or artists po natin, pwede po mag-order sa Eileen. We can ask for discount po sa mga food po ninyo. But, it's a paper order base. Thank you very much. And support, of course, kayo and we have very nice food anyhow. So, thank you very much.
Ayan mga ka-BFF 39, napakainit. My goodness. Antok na antok din kami. Puyat. Ito ang summer dito, sobrang init. Kami sa nag-start po kami sa YouTube talaga bago kami nag-Facebook. Thank you po.
meron po ako
Yes. Kusina ni Pinoy. Ayan, na-meet natin si Sir. Okay. Ayan mga ka-TFF, we're back to Kusina ni Pinoy. Kusina ng Pinoy. Ayan. So, nag-serve sila sa atin ng inihaw na bangos na may sausawan, na masarap na sausawan. Meron tayong patatim, chicken barbecue, and ang kanilang overload, bulalo. Luto to ni Chef Tolitz. Yan. Yes, mga ka-BFF, newly open ulit ang ating kusina ng Pinoy. Dito yan sa Madinat North. Tama ba ni? North? Madinat North, no? Madinat Khalifa North. So, binavlog natin siya ngayon for our YouTube channel celebrating Father's Day. So, hindi nakasama yung mga iba nating friends na vlogger due to meron din silang mga prior commitment and merong kanya-kanya celebration for Father's Day. Ayan, shoutout kay Sir Lino. Yan, siya yung owner and ang kanyang partner na si Chef Tolitz. Yan, kung nasa si Chef Tolitz, support lang ang Balmaceda family always. Ayan. So, magla-live na muna tayo sa TikTok. Ayan. Ito live talaga. Ito kasi for our YouTube channel. Mag-a-honest review tayo later, ha? So, what's up mga ka-BFF? Ayan, hato naman tayo ngayon. Today is Friday at maraming event ang mga Filipino community from morning to evening. Pero bago yun, ayan, kasi meron pa tayong mga ginawa. Medyo late tayo sa ating appointment. Sorry naman. Pero we're Pinoy Pop. Yan. Superstar sa evening naman. So, ayan, medyo in a hurry tayo guys. Pero, ayan, nakikiisa tayo sa community ng Filipino dito sa Qatar. Pero feeling ko kailangan pumunta sa salon para yung ano ko, meron tayong ano, yung mga ano ko, ang tawag dito ni yung tumutubo, yung mga white hair and everything. So parang magbe-visit tayo. Si Daddy Mena iniinda sa kaliwa, bukas magpapahilot yan. Ayan, sige guys, see you in a bit.
So we'll be having a workshop prior to the end of my presentation. Okay, next slide please. So as you can see in this figure, number 3. So now, when we give it to the contractors to bid, okay, then they are going to come back to you and ask pertinent questions. Maybe, you know, bidding records not always perfect. So some of the stakeholders in the bidding process, are going to see some lapses or that's the purpose of coordinating with specific contractor. Most of the time, it's not only just one of
You're still an inspiration. Can it be? 'Cause you are mine forever, love.
Hello mga ka-BFF, time checks almost 12 midnight. Yung event natin the whole day, yung pinakita natin dito sa vlog na to. Last yung sa Pinoy Pop Star. So next one is on July 10. Nandito na kami sa house. Ayan, kukunin natin yung ano, merong gift ang Philippine Institute of Architects sa inside the family. So and then nag-ano ng plaque of appreciation. Yan, kanina. Pero na kay Daddy Techie yun. Kasi since na siya naman yung president. So, karapat-dapat lang na siya yung mag-receive, not us. Ayan. Tapos bumili na rin ng salompas para... Iniwan ko yung ID ko dyan. Baka ayoko pa-iba-iba ako ng bag eh. So, ayan. Uuwi na tayo. So, si Iram. Iram, say hi to our ano. Si ano. Hindi ba tulos, hindi na siya nakikita sa vlog kasi busy siya working sa every weekend dito, Thursday, Friday kasi no weekend sa Yokocho. So ito yung kanilang pakete from Hempel. Ayan. Ayan. So pwede siyang pang travel ba? It's nice. Thank you in your home. Ayan yung kettle. Hempel.